Howdy, howdy, I'm DJ Sam from Fairbanks, Alaska. This is Axis, Pixlar, Hammers, and Footstools. Yeah, hey, this is the place to be. The home of the hits and happenings on YouTube. Ripped, torn from the airwaves, grafted onto the algorithm. Axis, Picks, Claw, Hammers, and Footstools commits daily acts of rock and roll terrorism designed to free the mind, loosen the inhibitions, and make you real good and high. Because rock and roll is all about being high. High on life. As we all are. So, what do we got going on right now? You know, this is kind of a, I do believe this band spun off of, Eagles of Death Metal and Queens of Stone Age. And the band is called Mondo Generator. They have an album out of 2003. Whoa, set the Wayback Machine in 2003. Whoa, remember, fasten your seatbelts and keep your arms and limbs inside the window, or we are not responsible for any injuries or lost property. The album's called A Drug Problem That Never Existed. The band is Mondo Generator. We're going to hear 4 cuts for them because they're fast and punky and metally and gosh darn good. First we're going to hear Meth, I Hear You Callin', followed by So High, So Low, Open Up and Bleed For Me, and then we're wrapping it all up with Girls Like Christ. All right, hey, this is Mondo Generator. Meth, I hear you calling.
This is fucking war. You want it? Call me back right now. You wanna fight? Don't call me. Don't you call me. Don't you call me. You wanna fight? Call me. Now I'm going to rip you a new one. Just call me back right now. Don't you ever call me. Period. I mean it. Do this for me. Do you understand? You do not call me back within 30 seconds. You don't call me back within 30 seconds. You will pay. But after this, I can tell you right now. God damn it.
Some serious blast beats apropos to the subject matter. Meth, I hear you calling. All right, a little bit more Mondo Generator from A Drug Problem That Never Existed, 2003's mind blower of an album. So High, So Low, Mondo Generator. I told you so. Hey, somebody started up the Mondo Generator and left it on all night long. You know, that burns an awful lot of metal. That burns an awful lot of rock and roll fuel. Can we afford that? Oh yeah, I think we got plenty of rock and roll to go around because we got two more from Mondo Generator, A Drug Problem That Never Existed, 2003 album. Open up and bleed for me. Up and bleed for me. Mondo Generator. We got the Mondo Generator up and running. We got the Mondo Generator rolling. Hey, A Drug Problem That Never Existed, 2003. Girls Like Christ. Christ. cackle like a cross between the Cookie Monster and God, you know, I just lost it. Boing, there goes my brain. Hey, did you happen to see a brain Goomba here? Hey, that was Mondo Generator. Girls Like Cries, top of the list. We had Meth, I Hear You Callin, So High, So Low, Open Up and Bleed For Me, and Girls Like Christ. Mondo Generator from 2003, a drug problem that never existed. I'm DJ Than from Fairbanks, Alaska. This is Axes, Picks, Claw, Hammers, and Footstools. The place to be seen, the home of the hits and happenings here on YouTube, your favorite radio station online. Well, that's right. If you haven't got a free subscription, do so. Hit the like if you like the music. Hit the notifications. Helps me out. You get yourself notified every time one of these fiascos drops, which is just about every day. And drop a comment, and I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Thanks so much. Tune in, turn on, drop back by Axes, Picks, Claw Hammers, and Footstools is your rock and roll friend.